Another review, this time on nets. Make sure when you are looking at the nets that you're really looking to match the shapes of the faces. Whatever shape the faces are is the shapes I'll see on the net. They might be in different spots, but the shapes will be the same. As much as you can imagine what it would fold up to be. I know it's hard to imagine, but sometimes it doesn't always work. The ones I'm giving you do work, but just be aware that some arrangements don't always make the 3D shape. So think, okay, what shape has two triangles with rectangles in between? It is a triangular prism. Okay, and there's not going to be anything to match it to this time, so you are going to have to try to think about the different 3D shapes. Whether if it has a lot of rectangles, it's probably a prism. If it has at least 3 triangles, then it'll be a pyramid. So just keep that in mind about lots of rectangles, prism, lots of triangles, pyramid. For example, this one has a lot of triangles all up here, so we know it is some kind of pyramid. And then we have to look for the other shape that we have. We have an octagon. So we know it's on an octagonal pyramid. Okay, I'll try and draw it. It's not going to be a great drawing. You don't have to draw it, but just to give you an idea, it's going to be an octagon on the bottom and then come up to form a point. All right. Whew, that was a very strange octagonal pyramid. Hopefully you get the idea. Lots of triangles, pyramid, lots of rectangles, prism, and then look for the other 1 or 2 shapes. Notice in pyramids we have 1 other shape. In a prism, we'll have 2 other shapes that will be the shapes of the bases, so it'll tell us how to name it. Any questions? Let me know. Go ahead and do your practice. Good luck.